What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be telling you how to make $100,000 in 30 days with CPA affiliate marketing. But before I do that, I want to announce a special giveaway that I'm doing. I actually announced this first in my Instagram story, so if you follow me on Instagram, you know about what I'm about to talk about. But I'm doing a money giveaway. So for everybody out there, I'm gonna be giving away $100, right? $100 to a lucky person below in the comments, and I'm also going to be giving that person a free student pass inside my Mogul Academy. So if you missed out on my last giveaway, here's your chance to get inside this giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away another student pass, and I'm gonna also give you some ad spend. Well, you don't got to spend $100 on ad spend, but I would advise you do it. So you get to get enrolled in my academy and test my strategies out pretty much for free. Free ad spend, everything like that. So all you got to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below maybe your Cash App, your PayPal.me, and I'm gonna send you over whoever is the winner. I'm gonna email you, get your information so I can enroll you in the course. And I'm also gonna be sending you money, to your PayPal, to your Cash App, whichever one you actually drop below. Now it lets me select only subscribers, so don't think you getting by not subscribing. You're gonna have to hit subscribe in order to be entered, okay? So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Right now you can see it's dark. I'm currently at the airport. I'm in the parking garage. As you can see, it's like 6 in the morning. I'm already up. I've been up since like 3 a.m. So like I'm just up, but I'm on my way to Mexico, guys. So I thought, why not make a video, give you guys some value, and also, do my little vlog type style videos, because I know you guys like that, because you leave comments telling me you like when I vlog and stuff like that. So yes, I'm going to Mexico for the weekend. Well, today is actually Thursday, so it's a little more than a weekend, but I really wanted to make this video because a lot of people be asking me, like, Chanel, like, what does it take to make $100,000 in a month with CPA affiliate marketing? And I just want to tell you guys, like, literally, most importantly, it's gonna take the budget, right? Because you guys see me make $100,000 in a month or whatever. Like, so what did I spend, right? I spent like $35,000 in all on ads, and it's looking like it's gonna be around the same kind of this month. So yeah, 35,000. You're looking at almost a 200% ROI for that type of ad spend. So to me, that's decent. Of course, ad costs have gotten more expensive and everything like that, but that's still a decent ROI. So for all you out there, if you don't have $35,000 to spend on ads, that may not be where you want to set your focus. You might want to set your focus at like $10,000 a month or something like that. You want to aim for smaller numbers and then work your way up. And I feel you. I would want to get to those big months too, because that's the type of person that I was. I wanted to see the big money, but it wasn't until I focused on what I was actually doing and the money I can make at that time. So at that time, I could only make $100 a day. At that time, that's all the money I can make with the type of budget that I had. But the more money that I was able to make, the more money I was able to save and be able to put more money into CPA marketing. And that's how you see me where I'm at today. Because yes, guys, to make the big bucks in this industry, you're gonna need budget, you're gonna need ad spend, because paid traffic is what I preach. I don't preach that free traffic. You're gonna have to go to other channels to hear those type of lessons. I'm not telling you guys to do none of that. I literally spent my wheels and wasted so much time doing that. So I'm never gonna ever tell you do the free tactics. You'll never see me teaching free tactics on this channel. So I actually have a flight to catch in an hour, so let me get my luggage out the back, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. What's going on, everybody? So today is actually the next day. I actually ran into a bunch of issues in my Airbnb, but it's all good. We booked another suite. As you can see, I'm in the suite right now. We're actually at the West End Resort. So shout out to the West End for taking care of me. I was going through a nightmare Airbnb situation, but it's all good. We still oceanfront. We got views. This suite is actually like an apartment. You got living room, dining room. You even got a full kitchen with sink, dishwasher, stove, microwave. Even got a fridge, big refrigerator at that. I just got my Powerade in there from the actual States. They also give you washer and dryer, so that's pretty dope as well. You can check out the bathroom right here. These lights are pretty cool. So this is the bathroom. Got a jacuzzi tub. Check out the toilet right here. The toilet's pretty dope. This is how you flush the toilet. It's like, they both flush, but like the big one, it makes like a big flush. That's pretty cool. I like that little feature. Also, they got the rainfall shower right here. So that's a pretty dope shower right there. So yeah, this suite definitely is dope. You got the some closet space right there. It's got my luggage and backpack and stuff. This is the bedroom. You can see you got good views from the bed. Nice little TV right here. I also like this cool little feature where you can slide this door right here. You can see into the bathroom, see into the jacuzzi tub, all that. So yeah, really, really dope. Let's check it, the actual views out from this suite. So they got a nice little swim up bar at the pool. This place has 6 restaurants and just all type of fun things you can do. Have a gym. So I'm gonna be utilizing all the amenities. Let me actually get some better lighting. One point I did want to touch on is how I'm able to take all these vacations, because you guys probably think, oh, Chanel, she's blowing on her CPA marketing income and things like that. And actually I'm not, guys. What happens is when I spend money on ads, I use my American Express card. So a lot of people ask me, Chanel, should I get a credit card? Should I use credit, you know, to start running CPA marketing ads? And my suggestion is always no. I don't advise you use credit cards until you have a winning campaign and you know that money is coming back to you, right? Because you don't want to rack a bunch of credit card debt up and, you know, not be able to pay it. So I never advise using credit cards on testing ads and stuff like that. Sorry about that, guys. The camera started to lose focus, but basically the point I want to touch on is my ad budget that I spent. So last month I spent $35,000 on ads, right? So that $35,000 I spent on ads, I was able to get that money back in the form of reward points. So with American Express, what they do is they give you 4 times certain categories. So my category is advertising. For every dollar that I spend on advertising, American Express gives me 4 times that in points rewarded to my account, and I'm able to book hotels, flights, whatever I want to book, I'm able to do that. So for all you out there who you want to travel and stuff like that, definitely CPA marketing. You're going to be spending a bunch of money on ads, so you want to get that LLC. You know, you want to open up a business bank account, get you a business credit card, right? And once you have that winning campaign, start using your business credit card to pay for your traffic. Now, once you do that, you're going to be getting all these reward points. You can book travel and you can live the life like you see me living. So that's how you always see me on all these trips and everything like that. I just thought I'd get that tip out because I don't think I ever talked about that. So I don't believe in taking out loans and stuff like that, but I do believe in utilizing money that you're already spending and turning that into an advantage. So when I spend a bunch of money on ads, it's not really like, you know, I'm just blowing money and stuff like that. Not only is it bringing me money back in the form of ROI, I get like almost 200% ROI back from my ad spend, but I'm also able to use that money to book travel and stuff like that because of the reward points and stuff like that. So that's just an awesome perk that I love about CPA marketing and spending money on advertising. So that brings me to the actual close of this video, because I want to go grab some breakfast, hit the beach, you know, sit poolside for a minute, have a drink. But first things first is I want to let you guys know Mogul Academy is still closing. I'm still going to be shutting it down. You know, I'm relaunching sometime in 2023 or late 2022. So like December, maybe. I'm not sure when I'll be launching my private coaching experience, where I'll be doing a different type of mentorship. I just want to restructure how I coach and mentor people, period. I don't want to just offer a course. I'm still going to be giving the course away to people who join my coaching program and stuff like that. But just you being able to just buy the course in itself, that's no longer going to be available. So what I'm going to do to make it special for everybody who stuck to the end of this video is I'm going to make Mogul Academy 50% off only for these last few days. So it's been 25% off, you know, this whole week. So for these last few days that it is open, I'm going to make it 50% off for everybody, you know, who's on edge. This is your last chance to get inside my Mogul Academy without being an official coaching student of mine. You get access to all my CPA marketing strategies, my optimization techniques, my scaling techniques, everything like that. You also know about the giveaway. So make sure you enter the giveaway. Like this video right now. Comment your Cash App, PayPal down below. Make sure you hit subscribe because I'm only going to be selecting subscribers of the channel to be able to win. All right, so that's all I got for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.